Hello everyone. Now in this lecture, we are going to learn rational factors. એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો કરણીની રીત. Okay. Next topic. Evaluate question number 1. Limit x tends to 3 under root of x plus 2 minus under root of 5 upon x minus 3. Before we start this topic, remember that root a minus root b into root a plus root b plus under root b is equals to a minus b. Okay, we have to apply this identity in whole topic. Okay, see here, limit x tends to 3 under root of root x plus 2 minus root 5 upon x minus 3. Okay, for solution we have to multiply numerator and denominator by root x plus 2 plus root 5. Remember that you have to put opposite sign of negative, and negative opposite of negative is positive. If plus sign is given here, we have to put negative sign. Barabar, opposite sign levani. So limit x tends to 3 root 2 root x plus 2 minus root 5 upon x minus 3 root 5 upon x minus 3 multiplied by, now rational factor of numerator, root x plus 2 minus root 5. What is opposite sign? Root x plus 2 plus under root 5. Okay, and divided by same factor, x plus 2 plus root 5. Okay, now compare with this identity, under root a minus under root b into under root a plus under root b is equals to a minus b. તો અહીંયા પણ એવું લાગે છે root x plus 2 minus under root 5, root x plus 2 plus under root 5. Okay, compare with this identity and we will get it is equals to limit x tends to 3. Okay, factors of both the terms. If you multiply these two terms, we will get square of first term. Square of first term, x plus 2. What is square? X plus 2. Sorry, under root x plus 2. Square is x plus 2 minus. What is square of under root 5? It is 5. And remember that we have to put negative sign here. Minus sign અહીંયા આપણે put કરવાની છે. બરાબર છે? Plus minus હોય તો શું થઈ જાય? Minus. Upon x minus 3 into under root of x plus 2 plus under root of 5. Okay, it is equals to limit x tends to 3. X plus 2 minus 5 becomes x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into under root of x plus 2 plus under root of 5 plus under root of 5. Okay, now x plus 3 cancel. So what left? It is equals to limit x tends to 3 1 divided by under root of x plus 2 plus under root 5. Okay, now our denominator is not equal to 0 if we are putting x equal to 3. ચાલો તો એક રીઝન આપી દેવાનું, x does not equals to 3. 1 divided by under root of 3 plus 2 plus under root of 5, and it is equals to 1 upon under root 5 plus under root 5. Okay, under root 5, under root of 5. So 1 upon root 5 2 times, it is equals to 2 under root of 5. So our answer is 1 by 2 square root 5. Sum number 2. Limit x tends to 2. X cube minus 8 upon under root of x minus under root of 2. See, we can solve this example, this sum by two methods. બંને રીતે હું તમને solve કરાવું. First is our traditional method, rational method, rationalizing factors. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 3, x cube minus not 3, x cube minus 8. It is equal to x cube minus 2 cube. Okay, compare with a cube minus b cube, means we have to apply a cube minus b cube identity here, and factors of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square, opposite sign ab plus b square. ચલો તો આના ફેક્ટર્સ પડશે. આપણે હાલ ફેક્ટર્સ નથી પાડવા, પછી પાડીએ તો x cube minus 8 divided by under root x minus under root 2. તો શાનાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું તો કે ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન અને સેમ અમાઉન્ટ, એટલે અંડર રૂટ એક્સ પ્લસ અંડર રૂટ 2 અપોન અંડર રૂટ એક્સ પ્લસ અંડર રૂટ 2. It is equals to limit x tends to 2. Okay, now write down factors of x cube minus 8 using this identity. It is look like 3 x cube minus 2 cube. a minus b, તો a minus b ની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું પુટ કરવાનું, x minus 2 into first term square x square, opposite sign, product of both the terms 2x plus last term square is 4, divided by, sorry x term રહી ગઈ અહીંયા, under root x plus under root of 2. Okay, divided by root x minus root 2, root x plus 2. So શું થાય, x minus 2, first term square x, second term square 2. Now x minus 2 cancel, and finally we have limit x tends to 1, x square plus 2x plus 4 into under root x plus under root 2 left. Okay, ચલો હવે ડિનોમિનેટર તો છે જ નહીં એટલે કોઈ ઇશ્યુ જ નથી. So putting x does not equals to 2. ભૂલથી 1 લખાઈ ગયું છે, 1 ની જગ્યાએ શું આવશે 2. Okay, so 2 square is 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 4 into under root of 2 plus under root 2. તો છે જ અહીંયા બરાબર. તો શું કે 4 3 times is 12. 12 multiplied by root 2 plus root 2 becomes 2 root 2. And our answer is 24 under root of 2. Okay. This is our traditional method by using rationalizing factors. Now I am solving this example using factorized method. So what is our question? Limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 8. અંદર મેથડ છે, અલગ છે, બેમાંથી એક કોઈ પણ કરી શકો, divided by root x minus root 2. In this method we don't have to take rational factors. ચાલો તો આના પહેલા factors x cube minus 8 already આપણે મેળવેલા જ છે. limit x tends to 2, factors of x cube minus 8 અહીંયા મેળવ્યા હતા, x minus 2, first term square x square, opposite sign, product 2x, last term square 4, upon under root x minus under root 2. Okay, now again limit x tends to 2. Try to remember factors of x minus 2. x minus 2 ના factors શું થાય યાદ છે, root x minus root 2 into root x plus root 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 divided by root x minus root 2. ચાલો અહીંયા આપણે કર્યું હતું કે ભાઈ આ root x minus root 2 into root x plus root 2 equal to x minus 2. તો અહીંયા આપણે x minus 2 ને આવી રીતે ડિવાઈડ કરી, આખી રિવર્સ પ્રોસેસ આપણે કરી. શું કર્યું, રિવર્સ પ્રોસેસ. ઓકે, નાઉ under root x minus 2 cancel out, and what left, limit x tends to 2, under root of x plus under root of 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, and see the last term. X square plus 2x plus 4 આવી ગયું આ root x plus root 2 એ પણ આવી ગયું તો આન્સર શું આવશે સેમ એઝ 24 under root of 2. તો તમને જે મેથડ કમ્ફર્ટેબલ લાગે તેનો તમે યુઝ કરી શકો છો. સમ નંબર 3, limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 means cubic factor આવશે x cube minus 27 is 3 cube, and we have to use a cube minus b cube identity here for factorization. Divided by under root of x plus 1 minus root 2. ચાલો તો રેશનલ ફેક્ટર્સ થી થશે આ સમ. લિમિટ x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 ને હજી આપણે as it is રહેવા દઈએ 27 divided by root x plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by root x plus 1 opposite sign plus 2 divided by same amount root x plus 1 plus 2 equals to limit x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 હજી આપણે જરૂર નથી આ ફેક્ટર્સની એટલે as it is રહેવા દઈએ under root x plus 1 plus 2. okay, now see in denominator root or આપણે આ જ લઈએ a minus b into a plus b. તો આપણે શું કરીએ તો કે અહીંયા જે ટર્મ હોય એનો સ્ક્વેર a square minus b square. okay, so first term square is x plus 1 minus second term 4. મોસ્ટલી સ્ટુડન્ટ 2 પુટ કરીને આવે પછી આન્સર મળે નહીં, બટ આપણે સ્ક્વેર કરવાનો છે એટલે 2 નો સ્ક્વેર શું થાય 4. ઓકે, now limit x tends to 3. now factors of x cube minus 27 શું થાય x minus 3 first term square x square plus product of both the terms 3x plus last term square 9 into under root x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 4 is equals to x minus 3. okay, now see x minus 3 cancel out, so what left? It is equals to limit limit x tends to 3, x square plus 3x plus 9 into under root x plus 1 plus 2 left. okay, now putting x equals to 3 and I reason api diye x does not equals to 3 equals to 3 square equal to 9. 3 into x means x equal to 3 3s are 9 and last term to 9 છે 9 3 times into under root 3 plus 1 plus 2. So 9 plus 9 is 27 multiplied by under root of 3 plus 1 equal to 4 and root 4 equal to 2. So 2 plus 2. So 27 multiplied by 4 is equals to 108. 108 is our answer. Sum number 4. See, this sum is also done in two ways. First is our traditional method, rationalizing factors. આપણે પહેલા એનાથી solve કરીએ. Limit x tends to 3, root 3 minus root x divided by 4x minus 12 multiplied by root 3 minus root x upon opposite sign plus root x, root 3 plus root x. okay, Now limit x tends to 3. Root 3 minus root x and root 3 plus root x. તો આપણે શું હોય છે a minus b into a plus b. તો a square minus b square કરીએ ને, a square minus b square means first term square. 3 root 3 નો square શું થાય? 3 minus root x નો square, તો કે x divided by. Now try to understand this step. 4x minus 12. If I am taking 4 common, what left? It is x minus 3. But what is our requirement? 3 minus x આપણે કટ કરવા છે. તો અહીંથી નેગેટિવ 4 કોમન લઉં તો શું થઈ જશે? તો કે 3 minus x. હવે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો જો. -4 into 3 minus 12. -4 into minus x minus minus plus 4x. So taking negative 4 common, 3 minus x left into root 3 plus root x. Now 3 minus x cancel. So what left? Limit x tends to 3. Wait. Limit x tends to 3. 1 by negative sign bar લેવી હોય તો પણ લઈ શકાય. Like minus limit x tends to 3. 1 upon 4 into under root 3 plus under root x. And here x does not equals to 3. Okay, now putting x equal to 3 minus 1 by 4 into root 3 plus root 3 equal to minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 root 3. And 4 multiplied by 2 root 3 equal to minus 1 upon 8 under root 3. 8 under root 3 is our answer. ચાલો સેમ સમ આપણે ડિફરન્ટ મેથડથી સોલ્વ કરીએ, ફેક્ટર્સ લઈને ઓર કરીને. Okay, our question is limit x tends to 3. Limit x tends to 3. Root 3 minus root x divided by 4x minus 12 equal to limit x tends to 3. Root 3 minus root x. અને ઉપરથી પણ નેગેટિવ સાઇન કોમન લઈ શકાય, જે કમ્ફર્ટેબલ હોય. ચાલો -4 કોમન, so 3 minus x left. ઓકે, -1/4 હું બહાર જ લઈ લઉં છું, -1/4. ઓકે, આપણે કોન્સ્ટન્ટનો રૂલ યુઝ કરીને. તો લિમિટ x ટેન્ડ્સ ટુ 3, root 3 minus root x divided by 3 minus x, and 3 minus x ના ફેક્ટર શું થાય? અહીંયા જો આપણે જોયા હતા કે ભાઈ root x, root 3 minus root x, root 3 plus root x equals to 3 minus x. તો ઓપોઝિટ ફેક્ટર લઈ લો, ઓપોઝિટ સ્ટેપ લઈ લઈએ તો શું થશે? 3 minus x ના ફેક્ટર root 3 minus root x, root 3 plus root x. Okay, no need to use rational factors. ચાલો તો આ બંને કેન્સલ થશે. root 3 minus x, root 3 minus root x, equal to -1/4 limit x tends to 3, 1 by under root 3 plus under root x left. Now putting x equal to 3, because x does not equals to 3, -1/4 into 1 by under root 3 plus under root 3 equal to -1/4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 root 3. And what is our final answer? -1 upon 4 2s are 8 root 3. 8 root 3 is our final answer. ચાલો તો તમને જે કમ્ફર્ટેબલ લાગે બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ મેથડ કરવાની ચાલે. Sum number 5, or next sum. Limit x tends to 4. Under root x plus 4 minus 2 under root 2 into 16 minus x plus. ચલો અહીંથી નેગેટિવ સાઇન આપણે કોમન લેવી પડશે આગળની જેમ. તો લિમિટ x tends to 4, root x plus 4 minus 2 root 2 divided by 16 minus x square. આ step as it is રાખીએ. Multiplied by rational factors root x plus 4 plus 2 root 2 divided by root x plus 4 plus 2 under root of 2. Okay. Now it is equals to limit x tends to 4. Okay. ચાલો તો આ શું થયું root a minus root b root a plus root b તો આપણે શું ફેક્ટર પાડીએ છીએ a square minus b square means first term square minus second term square. તો first term square x root x plus 4 root x plus 4 નો square કરો તો શું થાય તો કે x plus 4 only minus 2 root 2 square equal to 2 root 2 square equal to તો કે 2 નો square 4 and root 2 નો square 2 4 2s are 8 upon I'm taking negative sign common here so what left x square minus 16 એટલું વધે ને negative common લઈ લો તો into root x plus 4 plus 2 under root 2. ચાલો હવે common plus minus જે થતું હોય તે negative sign બહાર લઈ લઈએ તો limit x tends to 4 x minus 8 plus 4 equal to x minus 4 x minus 4 divided by factors of x square minus 16 factors of x square minus 16 શું થાય તો કે x minus 4 into x plus 4 into under root of x plus 4 plus 2 under root of 2. ચાલો તો હવે x minus 4 cancel so it is equals to limit negative sign થઈ ગઈ it is equals to minus limit x tends to 4 1 by x plus 4 into root x plus 4 plus 2 root 2 equals to minus ચાલો હવે નીચે 0 નથી થતું એટલે અહીંયા લખી નાખવાનું x does not equals to 4 1 by 4 plus 4 into under root of 4 plus 4 plus 2 root 2. ચલો અહીંથી એક સ્ટેપ શીખવાનું છે so minus 1 upon 4 plus 4 equal to 8 and under root 8 plus 2 root 2. Okay. ચાલો તો under root 8 equal to 2 root 2 થાય પણ આપણે એક સ્ટેપ વધારે કરીને ગણીએ કે કઈ રીતે થાય minus 1 by 8 into can I write 8 equal to 4 into 2 okay yes લખી શકાય plus 2 under root 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 8 into ચલો 4 ને under root ની બહાર લો તો શું થાય 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equal to 4 root 2. શું થશે minus 1 upon 8 4s are 32 under root 2. Answer is minus 1 upon 32 under root 2 is given in our answer. Sum number 6. Limit x tends to minus 3 x plus 3 upon under root of x plus 4 minus 1. Simply rational factors આપણે લઈ લઈએ કે limit x tends to minus 3 x plus 3 whole divided by under root of x plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by opposite sign x plus 4 plus 1 upon root x plus 4 plus 1. Okay, now limit x tends to minus 3, x plus 3 as it is, under root of x plus 4 plus 1 divided by, this is a minus b, this is a plus b, factors a square minus b square, first term square, તો અંડર રૂટ ની અંદર હોય સ્ક્વેર કરો તો શું થાય x plus 4, last term square minus 1 equal to limit x tends to minus 3, x plus 3 divided by root x plus 4 plus 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 is x plus 3. Okay, now x plus 3 cancel. So what left? It is equals to limit x tends to minus 3 under root x plus 4 plus 1. Now putting x equals to 3. Sorry, minus 3. So under root of, see there is some problem, minus 3, yes, no problem. Under root of minus 3 plus 4 plus 1 equal to under root of 1 plus 1. Under root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 is our answer. Sum number 7, limit x tends to 1 under root of x plus 2 minus under root of 3 upon x minus 1. It look like as sum number 1, exact copy of sum number 1. So આ તમારા માટે homework. This is homework for you. અને comparison કરવી હોય તો આપણો આજનો sum number 1 જોઈ લેજો. Sum number 8, limit x tends to 3 under root x plus 5 minus 2 root 2 upon under root x minus 1 minus root 2. Okay, this is some look like regarding rational factors of numerator and denominator both. બંને માટે rational factors લેવા પડશે, તો થોડો lengthy sum થઈ શકે છે. Limit x tends to 3 root x plus 5 minus 2 root 2 divided by root x minus 1 minus root 2. This is our question. Okay, now first we taking rational factors of numerator. The root x plus 5 plus 2 under root 2. અહીંયા શું આવશે તો કે same amount root x plus 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now factors of rational factors of denominator multiplied by root x minus 1 minus root 2 ની જગ્યાએ plus root 2 upon root x plus 1 plus root 2. Okay, now factors of numerator like a square minus b square. Limit x tends to 3. Factors of numerator, ચાલો આ બે compare કરો. Root sorry મારે 5 લખવાનું હતું, ત્યાં 2 લખાઈ ગયું છે ભૂલથી. Okay, here 5 is given and here also 5 is given. Okay, so root x plus 5, root x plus 5 એટલે એનો સ્ક્વેર કરો તો શું થાય x plus 5 minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 એટલે minus 2 root 2 square, 2 root 2 square equal to what? 2 square 4, root 2 square 2, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 multiplied by our term say as it is ratio under root x minus 1 sorry plus under root 2. Okay, now for denominator multiply these two terms and we will get first term square x minus 1 whole square is x minus 1, root 2 square is minus root 2, sorry, minus root 2 square is root 2, not root 2, 2. And this term is constant under root of x plus 5 plus 2 under root 2. Okay. Now, x plus 5 minus 8 equal to what? Limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 into under root x minus 1 plus under root of 2 divided by x minus 1 minus 2 equal to again x minus 3 upon under root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Now x minus 3 cancel out. So what left? It is equals to limit x tends to 3 under root x minus 1 plus under root 2 upon under root x plus 5 plus 2 root. Okay, now applying limit. Putting x equal to 3. So under root of 2 minus 1 plus, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 plus under root 2 upon under root of x plus 5, x equal to 3, 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 2. It is equals to under root of 2 plus under root of 2 upon under root of 8 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Now it is equals to root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. And we know that under root 8 equal to, આપણે અગાઉ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરી છે, under root 8 equal to 4 into 2 અને 2 બહાર લઈ લઈએ તો 2 root 2 થશે. તો 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equals to 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equal to 4 under root 2. So root 2 cancel and 2 2s are 4. So what is our answer? 1 by 2 is our answer. 1 by 2 is our answer. Yes.